Hello everybody, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to Hu's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make one of my most favorite spicy, sour, noodle, all-together dish. It's literally called spicy and sour noodles. In Chinese, it's called 酸辣粉, but the noodles here is slightly different. We are going to use some sweet potato noodles. So basically, the one I got here, you can tell, the color itself is a little bit light brownish. That's because they have been made from sweet potato. I'm going to open the package and show you what they look like inside. So they basically just look like a thicker and a longer and a darker version of the glass noodles, if that makes sense. And they are quite hard at the moment because they've all been dehydrated. The first thing I will do here will be prepare them. So for one of the toppings today, I'm gonna use some peanuts. So I got about a handful of noodles and some peanuts. Now let's move to the hob. So I got some boiling hot water here. We are going to turn on the heat to high heat. And then we're just going to whack all the noodles in. And we are going to boil the sweet potato noodles for about 10 minutes each. And then for the peanuts, we are going to use another separate pan. Turn on the heat and drop the heat down to low straight away. And I'm gonna add in some oil. So basically about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna let the oil warm up a little bit. And then we are going to add in the peanuts. So we are going to use low heat here, slowly toast them a little bit. And at the same time, keep an eye on your noodles. So make sure you constantly stir them in case they stick at the bottom of the pan. We are going to toast the peanuts about 5 minutes.
2,000 years later.
So my peanuts are done now. I'm going to get them out, put them on a plate, let them cool a little bit before we are going to use them.
A few moments later.
So it has been 10 minutes. I'm going to switch the heat off. They have turned clear now, so that means they're done. As you can see, I got a bowl of cold water here. So after I take my noodles out, I'm going to put them in here straight away. Now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce and also the base of this dish. So here I got 4 garlic cloves finely chopped, 4 chili, dry chili, just chop them to bits, that will do. And then I also got some chili powder or crushed chili and sesame seeds. So I'm going to get a saucepan. So I'm going to add in half of a cupful of oil. And then I'm going to put it on the heat and to warm it up. At the same time, I'm going to put a few things in my bowl here. So the first thing I'm going to add in will be 1 tablespoon of chili powder or crushed chili. Then I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Then we are going to add in the dried chilies, the one we just chopped with seeds. Then I'm gonna add in the garlics. Once the oil starts to smoke, we are going to take it off the heat. Then I'm going to add in bits by bits in this bowl here. So we're gonna add in tiny bit more. Just be careful, don't add in too much. And also give everything stir at the same time. Oh, smell amazing! Oh my god, smell lush, literally lush. Right. Once the oil starts to calm down a little bit, we are going to add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt. And then we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Chinese mature vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Then we are going to give everything a good mix. Then here I got something optional. So I got some Sichuan pepper oil here. I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of Sichuan pepper oil. So Sichuan pepper oil gonna provide a layer of numinous taste, which goes so well with this specific dish. So that's everything we need for the sauce. Then we are going to add in about 200 milliliters of water. Now I'm going to quickly do my sweet potato noodles and I'm going to play off. I just put my noodles and my sauce together. They look amazing already. It's not done yet. I'm going to add on some toppings and a garnish. Here I'm going to use a few things. So I got some Chinese pickles. So this one is pickled beans, and I also have some pickled vegetables here. And also, obviously, we got the peanuts we toasted earlier. And also, I got some dried bean sheets. So basically, when people make tofu, the top layer will create a really thin skin, quite oily. And after you dry that, it's basically just what we got here. So you can call it dried tofu skin, if that makes more sense. I'm going to quickly add everything to my dish and then I will show you guys what we get in the end. Here is my homemade 酸辣粉 spicy and sour noodles. Honestly, it smells so good. I'm going to quickly try some just for you. Right, I'm going to step in. Honestly, so good. The crunchiness from the peanuts and the pickles, and the spiciness from the dried chili and chili powder, and also combined with the Sichuan pepper oil, sesame seed oil, a little bit freshness from the coriander, and everything combined together. It's so good. It's just like a party on your mouth. Honestly, definitely recommend you to try this. It's so good. Right, I'm going back to my food. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to know what amazing dish what we are going to cook together next week, tap the bell. I will see you all next Friday. Bye!